Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can use a style guide in Webflow, so let's get started. Using a style guide in Webflow is one of the best ways to keep your entire website consistent, clean, and easy to maintain. A style guide acts as your design system, where all your colors, typography, spacing, buttons, and components stay organized in one place. To get started, open your Webflow project and look for a page named Style Guide, Styles, or Utility. Most templates include one. If your project doesn't have it, simply create a new blank page and name it Style Guide. On this page, add your main visual elements: text elements, headings, paragraphs, lists, buttons, color swatches, form components, spacing and layout helpers. Now assign classes to each item. For example, H1 for heading style, paragraph base for your paragraph, button primary for your main CTA, color brand 1 for a brand color. You only design these elements once. After that, whenever you use these classes in your site, the styling will be consistent everywhere. If you ever want to update something like changing your button color or adjusting font size, just edit it here on the Style Guide page. Webflow will automatically apply those changes across your entire site. This saves tons of time and keeps everything perfectly uniform. A good style guide also helps teams collaborate better, reduces design mistakes, and keeps your project beautifully organized as it grows. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.